guys, I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xgo.kids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna learn about referential equality. Basically, we are gonna see referential equality versus structural equality in Kotlin. So first of all, the agenda for today is that first of all we are gonna see what is referential and structural equality, and the differences will be very clear, and then we'll see them in action with some code, right? So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah. Okay, so now over here, first of all, we'll see what is referential equality. Referential equality is basically when you compare two values, and like when you compare two values, their memory location is compared. When this is the case, when their memory location is compared, then that means that we are using Kotlin is using referential equality, right? I'll just crop my width. Yeah, so that means that Kotlin is using referential equality whenever basically the memory locations of the two values are being compared, and when the exact values will be compared, that means that Kotlin is using structural equality. So structural equality is used when the values are being compared, right? When the values are being compared, and referential equality is used when the memory locations of the values are being compared, right? Quite cool. And now we'll see this in basically action, right? So referential equality is used when we are comparing two arrays, right? And structural equality is used when we are not comparing two arrays and we are comparing something else. So first of all, we'll see structural equality, and then we'll make our way to referential equality. So over here, for example, I have variable x equals to x, and then we have variable y equals to x, and then we'll do if x equals y, then print line equal, else print line not equal, right? Not equal, right? So over here these are two strings and not arrays, so that means Kotlin will use structural equality, and when using structural equality we are comparing the values, and x are equal, so it will go in the if statement and print equal, right? So now it will print for us equal, right? So we are getting equal now, right? Quite cool. And if the values were different, it is not comparing the memory location, right? So it is not comparing the memory location because these are strings, and when they are when it is comparing the values, then x is not equals to y, so it will go into the else statement and print not equal, right? So we are getting not equal, and this is applicable for all types instead of arrays. So over here we could have given two numbers also, like 1 and like 1, right? So over here it will give us equal. It is using structural equality, right? it is using structural equality, right? And it is using structural equality, that's why it will print equal. When if it was arrays, then it would have used referential equality, right? So over here it is using structural equality, that's why it is going inside, and that's why it is comparing the values. They are equal, so it will print equal. So we got equal, right? Quite cool. And these were the examples for structural equality, and now we'll move on to referential equality examples, right? So let's move on now. So over here, if I created x as like array of, right? So we are creating an array 1 2 3 4, and the same array over here, array of 1 2 3 4, right? So the values are same. And now if we compare, then what we'll have over here, you must be expecting it to bring true, but over here it is using referential equality, meaning that it is comparing the memory location values of these two values. So this array's memory location is saved in a different memory location than this array's memory location, though their values are same, but the memory locations are different. That's why they are not equals, and when they are not equals, it will go in the else and print not equal, though the values are completely the same, right? So let's just wait. And over here, if we would have given like variable y equals x, then what when we would have given variable y equals x, then what would have happened? I'll just show you, but over here we are getting not equals, right? As I said, and when we do variable y equals x, that means that y is pointing to the memory location where x is pointing to. So wherever x is pointing to, there y is pointing. So both of their memory locations is now the same. If y will be changed, then x will be changed, and if x will be changed, then y will be changed. So both of their memory locations are same. So over here you are checking if x equals y, so the memory location is the same. That's why it will go, if this will be true, this will evaluate to true, and it will print line equal, right? Quite cool. Let's just see the result, right? Just a second, this will take just a second over here. Yeah, so now we are getting equals as expected. And yeah, this is the difference between referential equality and structural equality. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys, bye, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn, let's just stop the recording.